Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another property, positioning property, that is nothing but a fixed. So what is the use of this position fixed? So we have seen about the position relative and also the position absolute. Position fixed means, so when you mention an element as position fixed, it will remain fixed at that place only. So I will try to show you one scenario. The same thing we'll try to take. Div here I'm taking class is equal to parent, and here if I try to take the div, let's say that I'm having a p element. Okay, so I'm having a p element. In this one I will give lorem. This is the lines I am trying to give, and here I'm having a div class is equal to child element. We'll design this child element, and at the bottom also we are having one paragraph element and the lorem we are trying to give, and I am closing the paragraph element. That's it. So here we are able to see the output. And for the parent element I will give background color of light blue, same thing, and width will be 75 BW, and the height will be 75 VH. So this is the normal thing. And for the child, same thing. I will have the width of 30 pixel and an height of 30 pixel, and also background color of red. I will try to give. That's it. So now we are able to see the red color here. Now the concept what I want to tell you is, here when you mention this child as a position of fixed, so we know that when I mention is absolute, it will come out of this one, right? So when I mention this one as position fixed, so I have mentioned this one as position fixed. Now when I mention this one as position fixed, so what will happen is here, so what should happen? So this should come out of this one position. Okay, I have mentioned it is wrong. So when I mention this one as position fixed, so the content, the box, whatever the child item is there, it is coming out of the viewport, and now the content has moved little bit to the top, as if the child element is not there. So now it has came out of the viewport. Now I can place it where I want here. So for example, here I want to place it as top 0 pixel. So I can place it as top 0 pixel without any problem. So here if I want to make it as left 20 pixel, so it can also place it at left 20 pixel. Wherever I want to place it, I can place it here. So bottom 0 pixel means it will move to the bottom. So this position fixed, when you mention this one, so it will act relative to the viewport. Okay, whatever the viewport is there, it will act relative to that one. For example, if I mention the parent as position relative, like absolute, it will not behave. So this will maintain, this will remain there only. So there is no relative concept or something like that for the fixed element. So if you mention position fixed means it will maintain relative to the viewport only. Now for example, if I haven't given any width and height, so bottom 0 pixel and also top of 0 pixel, and I mentioned from right it should be 30 pixel. Now if you try to see the output, so this will take the entire thing. So from top to bottom, so top 0 pixel, okay, from bottom 0 pixel, from left it is 30 pixel, and from the right it is 30 pixel. So how the width will be decided by this one. For example, I have mentioned top and bottom. I don't want to mention this one. I have mentioned a width of 30 pixel. Then if you try to see here, so only this part will be there. For example, 30 pixel is there. So I want to move from left. It should be something around 50%. So I can move this one. So left 50%, it will be moved here. So this is how it will maintain. So this is how you need to understand it. Now we understood about this one. So and the relative concept and all those things also will not work. Then what is the concept of what is the use of this one? So I mean to say that how this fixed is different from the absolute. So here if I try to give absolute, then also it will behave the same thing only. So there is nothing changes there. So here I have mentioned it as relative. That is the reason it is trying to do. If I don't mention this one, if I mention this one as absolute fixed or position absolute also, the one and the same thing it is happening. What is the difference between those two? So here the difference is, here I am removing this height 75 VH, okay, and here I am keeping some paragraph elements into 10 elements I am maintaining, and I want to have all of them should be filled with the lorem ipsum. Okay, so I have filled with all the lorem ipsum. Now here what I want to do is, so when I give this position absolute and bottom top 0 pixel like this means, so it has maintained like this only. Okay, so it is scroll, when I am trying to scroll the page, the red box is also going up, but I want to make it as a fixed thing. So I can make it as a fixed thing, and I will try to remove these all things. Okay, and here I can give the width of 30 pixel and the height of 30 pixel. Okay, so if I try to keep this one when I am fixing here, so if I scroll this element also, this box will remain at the same place only, so without any problem. So that is the main thing, main usage of this fixed thing. Now if I want to place it at the top, so here I can place it at the top 0 pixel. Okay, so I can place it at the top 0 pixel so that it will go to the top. And now what I want to do is, I want to take the total width of this one. So here I can maintain it as 100%. So if you maintain this one as 100%, if you try to see, this one is going away from this one, so it is taking the viewport height 100%. So that 100% it is trying to take. But what I want to do is, it needs to take something, how much the parent width is there, that much only it needs to take. So for this one what I can do is, so here we are having the width, right? I can convert it into max width. Okay, so now I can tell that, okay, take the width 100%, and here I want to keep it as max width of inherit. Okay, so if I mention this one max width inherit, see how this one is, that's the header. So I can have a header here, I can mention the header here. Now the header is the red color border, it will remain always the fix. So in the same scenario, the footer also you can maintain it, and you can make it as bottom 0 pixel, and it will remain always at the bottom only. So this is the usage of the fixed positioning element. So using the fixed we can do it. Now if I want to move this one to the back side, means I can use simply z index of -1, I can use it. So now this, what I can say is, this element will be moved to the back side. So here you'll be able to see that one is actually in the back side. So for example, if I want to move it to the top to the 10 pixel, means it will go, it will move down. See here, it is in the back side. So that is the main, that is the main thing. So z index also you can apply it. So like this you can do the fixed element. We can fix the element to a particular position in the viewport, so that whenever you are trying to scroll it or anything, it will remain at the viewport at that particular position only. So that is the usage of this fixed thing. So it, the position fixed element, so it will not take relative to the parent element, it will take relative to the viewport element only. So that is the main, that is also another thing you need to understand. So this is all about the fixed positioning element. So hope you understood about the position fixed element. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.